Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another crazy day here in the world of Luna Classic. So the market is looking a little bit green. We've had a little bit of a bounce from pretty much exactly where we were expecting in yesterday's video, and Luna is still on the rise, which is absolutely incredible. So we're going to be going over all of that. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, and we are going to be discussing where exactly these burns are potentially going to lead us. So that's what you want to know. So let's get into it. First of all, checking out crypto bubbles, we can see Luna Classic up 14.5%, again ahead of the entire pack. Absolutely lovely to see. We can see the overall cryptocurrency market up 0.68%, so not much, but Bitcoin and Ethereum still kind of teetering as to where they were. Ethereum doing a little bit better than Bitcoin, but if we do check over on here we go. We can see that we had this trend that was forming. We were reaching the pinnacle, the apex, and we did get a breakout and basically exactly a textbook retest of this upper resistance here. We broke out, we retested it, and then we absolutely shot upwards. Up here is the first real area of resistance that I'm seeing. This down here, if we do break lower, is where I think a lot of buying will come in. But look at that, absolutely, again, another absolutely textbook retest there. Perfect opportunity to get involved in a trade right there. Congratulations if anyone did get that trade. If you do want to open up yourself a leverage account, I have got a new partnership here on the channel with Prime XBT, and you're not going to believe it, but right now they have a $7,000 deposit bonus that you guys can get your hands on right now. And if you do follow the links down there in the description, you're going to very much be benefiting the channel here. So I really do appreciate it. If you just take a little bit of a second, a little tiny second, sign up to Prime XBT, and if you want to trade over there, that would be awesome. They have a lot of different options for you guys over there. Pretty much anything you would need in one place, along with a bunch of liquidity, which is what you need to get in and out of trades in moments like this. So definitely check them out if you do have a second. Now, we also have the DXY definitely making a new high here. So definitely very much this upward trend is still in play, which is not great for the overall cryptocurrency market. Please remember that Bitcoin's still below the 200 MA, which we kind of need to get above to really see any form of bullishness coming back into the market. Like I said, we've had this breakout, and right now this doesn't dictate that we're going to go any higher. We're just gonna have to wait to see what's going to play out with that. Ethereum kind of just being sideways here, not doing too much, but definitely bouncing from the recent lows that we saw, which is definitely not a bad thing. Now, if we go over here, we give this a little bit of a refresh, we can see the market is still in extreme fear. In my opinion, awesome buying opportunities if you are intending to be in the market for a long time. Now, heading over to Terra Classic, we can see the price up 10% over on CoinMarketCap, just under 10% now at 0.000268. Now, I'm seeing a lot of news flying around of people talking about this going straight to $1, $100, all of this sort of stuff. I want to talk about the math behind the burns. I want to go through it. As you know, on the channel, this is both sides of the coin. This is the news from both sides. I am not a perma bull. I am not a moon boy. I am also not always bearish. I am very much in the middle, and I am trying to make real money here in crypto. That's what I do. And if you like that sort of thing, I would really appreciate you smashing the like button, hitting the subscribe button. Remember, this channel right now is burning what Google pays it, right? So Google pays it. I think we're on about 1,100 right now, and we will be burning that into Luna Classic. So please do smash the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications, leave a comment, leave this channel running, whatever you want to do. It will really help it out. And only 22% of you guys are subscribed right now. So smash up that subscribe button as we speak. And let's go through the math. Look at that, 11% now on CoinMarketCap. But okay. So right now, the volume up almost 100%. Absolutely great to see at $1.8 billion of volume. That is huge. So if we go through the math quickly, let's discuss how quickly we can get these burns done and what is going to happen going forward. What I think is going to happen. Of course, I actually have no clue. Not even one clue is what I have. All I have is the information and my opinion. That's it, right? And if you guys are interested in that, then that's why you're here, I guess. But right now, I got that 1.8 billion. We'll divide that or times it by that burn that's coming in, 0.012. That gives us $21 million worth of Luna Classic that would have been burnt today if this number right here is the volume, right? This includes on-chain and off-chain. Centralized exchanges, I know I've said this 1,000 times, I'm sorry for repeating myself, but centralized exchanges happen off-chain. Almost 50% of all of this volume is coming from Binance, the rest coming from other exchanges, and some happening on chain. But this volume that is going to be burnt is not including any of this right now. We need Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io to come on and actually say they're going to include this 1.2% burn. So please take that into your consideration when you are doing the math, when you're studying this sort of stuff, right? Because it's not there yet. This announcement, say Binance says they're going to put in 1.2% burn, would be incredible, right? That would be awesome, but they haven't yet. They may never do it. So do pay attention to that. With that said, if they did do it, it'd be $21 million worth of Luna Classic. That would be 82 billion. Yeah, I'm so confused with all these zeros, but 82 billion Luna Classic being burned in one day. That is around 2 trillion Luna Classic in 1 month. That would give us about 2 to 3 months where we would burn almost all of the supply, which would be incredible, right? That would be amazing. If we do check this out here, let me just give that a little bit of a none. If we got down to a circulating supply of let's start here, of 10 billion coins, we would have a price of 18 cents. 1 billion coins would be $1.08. 100 million coins would be $18, and 10 million, and so on. We're looking at about an $18 Luna Classic with the current market cap that we have right now. So with the market cap of this, where is it here? Diluted is what I worked out as. With that market cap, give us an $18 with 100 million circulating supply, right? With that said, we would need for all of this to happen, the exchanges to come on board, the volume to continue. Remember, what's important to understand here is the volume needs to continue with the burns. So let's do this. Problems, right? Exchanges don't implement. We've already done that. But the volume doesn't stay high in general. The volume comes down, people lose interest, they stop trading, all of that sort of stuff. If the exchanges implement the 1.2% burn, maybe people stop trading it because you instantly lose over 1% of your trade every time you trade. That's something to think about. Now, with that said, we also need the volume every time the price doubles. With this math here that I've seen going around, with this math here, we need, as the price doubles, the volume needs to double in order for this to even work, right? It doesn't stay the same because when the price here changes, it will change the amount of Luna that's burned. It will actually decrease it. So I've done some math here, exactly the same idea here, except the price of Luna Classic is 0.0008658. So that's an increase of around 3 or 4x, right? With that price, the same math and the same volume on the day, but the price has gone up. We're only burning 25 billion Luna, which is 749 billion per month. As you can see, that is significantly less than here. That means we're going to be around 7 months or 8 months or 9 months until we get down to that really low level. Now, again, if the price goes up even more, that's going to continue to go down unless the volume doubles every time the price doubles. That's the only way this math stays making sense. Hopefully that makes sense. I did want to explain that to you guys so you understand where I'm sitting, why I'm not thinking that we're going to $1 next month or even this year. I don't think it's going to happen because I don't think that we're going to continue to get insane volume. It may very well happen. I may be wrong, but in this market, I am leaning on the side of bearishness simply because that's what the market dictates. That's how I've stayed safe in these markets, taking profits when we see pumps, reinvesting that money down at the bottom where I think it's at the bottom. And that's it. That's it. That's all I got for you today. Hopefully you appreciate this video. Again, both sides of the coin, I hope that I'm providing you guys, and you do appreciate it. With that said, remember, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.